folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a super quick one. I want to engrave this egg, but obviously eggs roll, so I thought I would show you a really easy hack. It involves raiding your kid's Lego box and building a jig with Lego. I mean, these can be as complicated as you want or as simple as you want. I'm just going for a dead simple one. 4 bits of Lego that hold the egg exactly how you want it, basically. So to start with, I made it too narrow and I had to adjust it. You can see it doesn't quite sit properly in there, so just moving it out that one block makes a big difference, and it will hold the egg perfectly. As you can see there, it sits really nicely and it won't move, and it's repeatable as well, so say you've got more than one thing to do, it's easily done. Also wanted to show off just how gentle the autofocus is, and you can see this egg was being hollowed out, so I've emptied the yolk out and it doesn't get crushed with the autofocus. So you've no worries there when it comes to marking work that you're doing. It won't do that, it won't crush anything, and it's dead simple. So for the settings on this one, I'm just doing 300mm a second and 15% power. It's a really quick job and it works really nicely. So I did it a couple of times just to see how it looked, different ways, and the eggs engrave as you would expect. Not that you're going to get a lot of orders for engraved eggs, I would imagine, but yeah, it's more of a exercise of, can this be done? Is it possible? And I think you can tell it leaves the main area nice and white, so yeah. Eggs do engrave. And a side note on that one is that they smell just as bad as leather, so you might want to make sure you've got decent ventilation, have the window open if you've got it in our house, and just get rid of that smell as quickly as you can, because it's stinking. If you want to play with this, crack on. What I would suggest is you don't use air assist, because air assist will rock it if there's any movement in between the Lego and the egg, or whatever it is you're holding. This could work with balls, etc. So hopefully this short but sweet video has been of help to you. If you like it, please do give me a thumbs up, it really does help the channel, and consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Till next time, bye.